Do you need efficient waste management solutions for your project or business? Welcome to Sears Disposal, your trusted partner for dumpster rental in Bluegrass, Iowa. At Sears Disposal, we specialize in providing reliable and convenient dumpster rental services tailored to the needs of our customers in Bluegrass and the surrounding areas. With a range of dumpster sizes available, we ensure that you'll find the perfect fit for your project, whether it's a home renovation, construction job, or commercial cleanup. Our prompt delivery and flexible rental options make the process seamless and hassle-free, allowing you to focus on what matters most, getting the job done. At Sears Disposal, we pride ourselves on delivering excellence in waste management services. Our experienced team is here to guide you through the rental process, addressing any questions or concerns with expertise and attention to detail. With competitive pricing and a commitment to quality service, Sears Disposal is your trusted partner for dumpster rental needs in Bluegrass, Iowa. So why wait? Contact Sears Disposal today at 563-459-9968 or visit our website at www.searsdisposal.com. Dumpster Rental Bluegrass, IA to learn more about our dumpster rental options and start managing your waste efficiently. With Sears Disposal, you can trust that your waste management needs are in good hands.